Hello guys, this is Duran, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace X and Y axis motor belt on NOVA Redline series. So now, let's check it out. First, remove the control panel. Open the side panel, then pull the motor backward and you will be able to see the screws that secure the control panel. Loosen these two screws. Next, unplug the white connector. With a little push, the control panel can be removed. Open the machine's cover. Pull the gantry toward you and you will be able to see the X-axis belt. Then use an Allen wrench to loosen these screws. Then loosen the screw underneath. Once you do that, you will clearly notice that the belt becomes loose, making it easy to remove. To install the new belt, first loop it around to the large pulley at the front, then around the smaller pulley at the rear. Next, tighten this screw first. While tightening, continuously check the belt tension by hand. After that, tighten the 4 upper screws. And check the belt tension again to ensure it is properly adjusted. Now, the Y-axis belt. Rotate the pulley until you can clearly see these 4 screws. Then loosen them one by one. Next, loosen the screw at the front. As you can see, the belt is now loose and it can be removed easily. To install the new belt, first loop it around the large pulley, then around the small pulley, tightening the screws. During this process, continuously check the belt tension as well. The belt should not be too loose or too tight. Then tighten these 4 screws here. Adjust the front screws as needed and check belt tension again. Once the tension feels correct, fully tighten all the screws. The belt installation is now complete. Next, reinstall the control panel. The installation procedure is the same as on the Mirror 9S. Take the side of the mounting bracket that has the hook and engaging it into the slot on the control panel. For the position, you can refer to Mirror 9S control panel installation video. Once the hook is properly engaged, slowly tighten the first screw. Then install the second screw. Finally, reconnect the control panel cable. And the installation is complete. Alright, that's all for today. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through this way. This is Duran from Aeon Laser. So see you next time. Bye bye.